In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record a Google Meet meeting. So this is going to work if you're on Windows and you're not going to have to download any external software. You can actually use a piece of software which you probably use quite often anyway. Now, we're going to go to Google Meet, and in this video, I'll just go to New Meeting. I'll create a meeting which is instant, and I'll join into my own meeting, and then I'll show you how I would record it. So here we are inside of the meeting. You're probably not going to have one person full screen. You'd probably have someone presenting. You'd probably have multiple people. So let's just pretend that this is our Google Meet, right? So we want to record it all. Now, the way that I would do it is if you go to Windows, you go to the search bar and you type in snipping tool, you can actually record video with snipping tool. So if you click on the record icon instead of the photo icon, and then click new, you can then go ahead and drag out the dimensions of how you want to record. So I'm going to fill the whole screen, and then you can go ahead and either enable or disable your microphone. So I'm going to enable it. Now this might get a bit weird because I'm using the microphone for multiple things. So make sure you've unmuted it and make sure mute system audio is not checked so you can hear the other person as well. Then you can click start. It's going to count down and it will then start recording. So here you can see now it's recording. The meeting can go on as usual. And once you're done with the meeting, click on this stop recording button. And this video will then go to your downloads or your video folder and go on as usual. And once you're done with, so you can see the meeting does work and it does capture sound. You want to go to the save icon in the top right, and then you can actually save it wherever you want in an MP4 format. So that's how I would do it. I hope that was useful and did help you out.